Hello. This week in class was about releasing the tensions, stress release, calming the nervous system. When we feel overwhelmed, doing this Qigong exercise is fantastic. This is a little resume of the class. So, we are starting by loosening up the body. We want to release tensions in the body. We are bouncing gently in the middle of the feet, not too much to the front or the back. All the body is loose. You can make noise, you can release. And gradually you're going to turn and shake. Release the tensions. Tap the body gently. If you feel dizzy, high blood pressure, keep your head to the front. If not, loosening up. Come back to the middle. Bring the loose fist to your waist. You're very relaxed, but you're a bit pissed off today. So, pissed off or with someone or with yourself, whatever, you're going to take this energy out of your body and transform it. So it's a bit Tai Chi, more than Qigong, but it's still part of Qigong. Loose fist, and you're going to punch. You can put your emotion. You're releasing this emotion. Visualize looking at this emotion going to the ground. We are always connecting with the earth in Qigong. Reverse, turn your palm to bring good energies. Visualize this good energy. Bring a loose fist and put it back. Punch. Release. Remember to breathe. There is no perfection. Qigong is not about perfection. Do whatever feels right. You can do that for as long as you want. Let's reset. Open to the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out. Calm the energy in the body. Give it back to the earth. Open. Loose arms. Breathe in. Bring calm energy. Visualize a ball of calm energy going all the way through your body, all the way through to your feet to release to the earth. Bring your palms very loosely. Calm. Open the arms to the side. Open the chest. Open the heart. Release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open the arm, open the chest. Bring calm energy. Breathe out to release. 2 more times. Breathe in. Okay, thank you. That was just a little tester of what we did today. Last week we did boundaries and the pericardium. So I invite you to join the class if you want more. Share on Facebook, share on Instagram, and especially on YouTube, and to your friends.